Pure functions. The demonstrate two kinds of functions, pure functions and modifiers. They also demonstrate a development plan called prototype and PET, which is a way of tackling a complex problem by starting with a simple prototype and incrementally dealing with the complexities. Here is a simple prototype of add time. The functions create a new time object, initializes its attributes and returns a reference to the new object. This is called a pure function because does not modify any of the object passed to it as argument, and it is no effect like displaying a value or getting user input other than returning a value. To text these functions, I will create two time object. Start contains the start time of a movie like Monty Python and the Holy Grail, and durations contains the run time of the movie, which is 1 hour 35 minutes. At time figures out when the movie will be done. The result 10.0 might not be what you were hoping for. The problem is that this function does not deal with changes where the number of seconds or minutes adds up to more than 60. When that happens, we have to carry the extra second into the minutes column or the extra minutes into the hour column. Modifiers. Sometimes it is useful for a function to modify the object it gets a parameters. In this case, the changes are visible to the caller. Functions that work this way are called modifiers. Increment, which adds a given number of seconds to a time object, can be written naturally as a modifier. Here is a rough draft. The first line performs the basic operations. The remainder deals with the specialities we saw before. Is this function correct? What happens if the parameter second is much greater than 60? In that case, it is not enough to carry once. We have to keep doing it until time second is less than 16. One solution is to replace the if statements with while statement. That would make the functions correct but not very efficient. Anything that can be done with modifiers can also be done with pure functions. In fact, some programming languages only allow pure functions. There is some evidence that programs that use pure functions are faster to develop and less error prone than programs that use modifiers. But modifiers are convenient at times, and functional programs tend to be less efficient.